Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to add best friend on your Snapchat friend list. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you need to launch on your Snapchat application, and then you need to go your profile on the top left corner. And guys, here you can see this is your Snapchat profile. And now if you want to add Snapchat best friend on your friend list, so what should you do? Today I'm gonna show you that. And now let's get a start. And you need to just scroll down and you get a option add friend. So simply tap on add friend, and now you can add from here your friend list. You can add friend, or you can search person ID name, then you can add this person. Okay, after adding this person, then go to my friend. Then guys, here you can see every friend list is here. And now if you want to make anyone best friend on your friend list, so what should you do? You just make a more conversation or share anything. Every day you need to snap with him, need to conversation with him, this person. So this time, on this time, or at a time, Snapchat team makes him best friend on your friend list. Otherwise you cannot make it for your own wish. Snapchat team make this person your best friend when you conversation this person every day. Then Snapchat team make it best friend automatically. You cannot make it. So I think you can understand carefully, or you can understand perfectly. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.